Hey everybody, welcome to the next course here, BA298. This is going to be a very short video. Well, here I got my little scenery here thing, but you may or may not notice I have an eye problem. Those of you who were in the last course, you may help me tell the story about me and my grandson. He accidentally kicked me in the eye, and but I had a cataract removed a few years ago, and he hit me so hard it knocked the lens loose. So they had to go in, and a couple days ago remove that old lens, put a new one in. So basically I can't see out of that eye, and so you may even notice the screen is very big here. Um, so anyway, so normally on these videos, I do these videos every week. You know, so that's one of the things about the course, checking these videos. But this one will be short. I usually have the PowerPoints and everything up, but I'm not going to do any of this week other than just tell you, I've sent you a welcome letter, that has some of the course info in it. And again, just get familiar with the course. And I'm assuming everybody by now knows everything about how to use the system. Although when I did this video, it was Sunday, so now come Monday, we're going to have a different, a little bit of a different look in here, you'll notice, but it's still pretty much the same. Get your textbooks, you go into modules. Every term, even though we've been using the system for a year now, I always have people say, hey, I can't get my textbook, and it's right in here. So you go into modules. As soon as you open up, right there, you click there once, and then you'll click there again, and it'll take you right into your where your ebook is. So so that's one, so that's one way to do it there. What else? And then a week, real quick here, week 1. All right, week 1, you're going to have your chapter, these readings. Now this course is a little different because you have a textbook, but this textbook just has cases in it. So you need to go over these readings that tell you how to do case reviews, case studies. So this is more about doing research and writing papers, how to do a case, review a case. So that's what this course is all about. So in some ways it may or may not be a little easier or a little harder depending if you're good at writing or not. But anyway, so you got everything in here. We got the weekly discussions. Make sure you do the first one by Wednesday. That way everybody has a chance to interact. And then you got your assignments each week. So, and again, the assignments will be pretty much the same as doing a case study every week, reading up on it and so forth. So you're also supposed to let me know about your project you're going to do. Where's the project at? Yeah, so right here, let me know what case you're going to find to do your project on for the end of the course. So, all right, so like I said, I'm keeping this one short only because I can't really see, and it might be entertaining, but supposedly over the next week or two it'll get better. So anyway, so the only other thing I have is my test question I do in my videos. That's the other thing I do is because some people say, oh, I watched the video, and then they post in the discussion, you reply to this, that, oh, I watch it, but they didn't really watch it. You just said it did. So I always do a little test question in here um, where, and so you let me know what this is. This, those of you that are on Facebook, sometimes have these little neat apps you can do silly stuff with some photos and stuff. So this was something that was on Facebook last week that I did. So, all right. So with that, I'll leave you alone for now. But you guys have a welcome to the course. Have a great week as always. You can use the inbox system up here to get in touch with me, text or call, and let me know if you got any questions or anything. So that'll do it. Have a great week. Welcome to another course. And I know there might be a couple of you that haven't been in courses with me, but I'm really easy to get along with, get in touch with. So don't be afraid to contact me or anything. So, all right, that's it. Take care. Have a great week.